Welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most revolutionary technologies of our time, blockchain technology. Whether you've heard of it through Bitcoin or Ethereum, or you're just getting started in the world of crypto, understanding blockchain is key to unlocking its full potential. Let's break it down. Part 1. What is blockchain technology? Let's start with the basics. What is blockchain technology? At its core, blockchain is a distributed ledger that allows data to be stored across a network of computers, called nodes, in a way that is secure, transparent, and immutable. Simply put, a blockchain is a chain of blocks, each containing data, that are linked together and secured using cryptographic principles. This makes blockchain technology decentralized and trustless, meaning no central authority or middleman is required to verify transactions. It's a key element in powering cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but its applications go far beyond just digital money. Part 2. How does blockchain technology work? Here's a simple breakdown. 1. Transaction initiation. It all begins when someone makes a transaction, whether it's a cryptocurrency transfer, a contract execution, or another kind of data exchange. 2. Block creation. This transaction is then grouped together with other transactions into a block. 3. Verification process. The block is then verified by a network of nodes computers, ensuring that all transactions within the block are valid. This is typically done through consensus mechanisms like proof of work POW or proof of stake POS. 4. Adding to the blockchain. Once verified, the block is added to the blockchain, forming an immutable record of the transaction that can't be altered without altering every subsequent block. 5. Security. Thanks to cryptographic hashes, each block is securely linked to the previous one, making it nearly impossible for anyone to tamper with the information. That's why blockchain is considered highly secure and transparent. Part 3. Why is blockchain important? Here are 4 reasons why. 1. Security. Blockchain uses encryption to secure data, making it highly resistant to hacking. Every transaction is verified by the network, reducing the risk of fraud and corruption. 2. Decentralization. Because the data is stored across multiple computers, it's not reliant on a single centralized server. This makes it resilient and less susceptible to attacks. 3. Transparency. Blockchain transactions are visible to all participants in the network. Everyone can verify the accuracy of the data, which builds trust in the system. 4. Innovation. Blockchain is not just for cryptocurrency. It's being used in industries like supply chain management, healthcare, finance, and even voting systems, helping to create more efficient, transparent, and tamper-proof systems. Part 4. The use cases of blockchain technology. Blockchain technology has endless use cases beyond just crypto. Some of the most promising applications include 1. Cryptocurrencies. The most well-known use of blockchain, enabling decentralized and peer-to-peer digital currency systems like Bitcoin and Ethereum. 2. Supply chain. Blockchain provides a transparent and secure way to track the movement of goods from manufacturer to consumer, ensuring authenticity and reducing fraud. 3. Smart contracts. With blockchain, we can have self-executing contracts where the terms of the agreement are directly written into code. Platforms like Ethereum support these smart contracts. 4. Voting systems. Blockchain can be used to create tamper-proof voting systems, ensuring election integrity and preventing fraud. 5. Healthcare. Blockchain can store medical records securely, giving patients full control over their data while ensuring privacy and reducing fraud. Part 5. The advantages of blockchain technology. So, why is blockchain becoming so popular? Here are 5 of its biggest advantages. 1. Security and privacy. Blockchain's encryption makes it extremely secure, and only authorized participants have access to the data. 2. Immutability. Once data is written on a blockchain, it can't be altered, ensuring that records remain permanent and trustworthy. 3. Cost efficiency. By cutting out middlemen like banks or notaries, blockchain reduces transaction costs and improves efficiency. 4. Speed. Blockchain transactions can be processed much faster than traditional banking systems, especially in international transfers. 5. Transparency and trust. Since all transactions are visible to everyone on the network, blockchain increases transparency and builds trust. Part 6. Challenges and risks of blockchain technology. Of course, no technology is without its challenges. While blockchain has great potential, there are some risks and limitations to be aware of. 1. Scalability. As more transactions are added to the blockchain, it can become slower and more expensive to process. 2. Regulation. Governments are still figuring out how to regulate blockchain and cryptocurrencies, which can affect the legal landscape. 3. Energy consumption. Some blockchain consensus mechanisms, like proof of work, require a lot of energy, raising concerns about environmental impact. Part 7. How blockchain will shape the future. Blockchain is more than just a technology. It's a game changer that has the potential to transform industries and economies. As blockchain continues to evolve, it could revolutionize everything from finance to healthcare, supply chains, and even the way we govern. The possibilities are limitless, and it's only just getting started. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Debt-Free Dreams for more deep dives into blockchain technology, cryptocurrency, and other innovations shaping the future. Have any questions or want to learn more? Drop them in the comments below.